everyone! Welcome to Phonics Term 3, Week 6, Blending Lesson number 3. Let's get started with today's activities. We always start our phonics lessons with the 4 jobs of reading, so please join in with me. When we're reading, we have 4 jobs. First job, lift the words off the page and put them in our brain. Second job, read really fast. Read like a river, not like a robot. Third job, know what the words mean and put them in our suitcase. Close, lock. Fourth job, now here's the magic. Understanding what you read. And we need to understand what we're reading, and we need to have our 4 jobs of reading so we can be strong readers, mighty spellers and wizard writers. Okay, everybody, you know what time it is. We're going to do our retrieval practice. Tell me, what is a phoneme? A phoneme is a tiny sound that comes out of our mouth in a word. Well done. What about this one? What's a grapheme? The way the phoneme looks when you write it. Great job. Today we're going to do some retrieval practice and we are going to do some writing of our camera words. So, now these are old camera words, but if they're a bit tricky and I might be going a bit too fast, you can always pause the video whilst you are writing and then press play ready for the next one. Try and write these words without looking because these are words we should already know. Okay, let's have a go. We are writing our camera words. If you haven't got your equipment, go and get the things that you need to get ready, and I'll see you when you're back. All right, let's get started, everybody. Our first camera word is was. Writing was. She. Are. Try not to peek. 2. The. Of. Today. He. For. A. Day. I. How did you go? I hope you've got all your camera words right. You can always go back and tick and fix if you need to. Let's have a look at today's lesson intention and our success criteria. We are learning to blend phonemes fast to read words. We are learning to blend phonemes fast to read words. Remember, you need to pick your goal. Are you working on reading 3 or more, 4 or more, or maybe 5 or 6 or more words today? You might even want to challenge yourself too. Pick your goal and tell your parent or carer what you are going to work on today. And let's get started. This is my turn, so watch me. I'm getting ready to blend, push my phonemes fast to read a word. And I'm going to get my mouth ready by looking at the first phoneme. Here I go. G, e, get, get. This word says get. Get means you might be given something like a parcel or a package in the mail. Sometimes people say, get ready before you run. Get set. This girl looks like she's going somewhere. She has to get ready. to go out. Maybe she's going to a party. This is your turn, everybody. I'm going to give you a chance now to have a go at blending these words. See if you can beat me and we'll check at the end. Get ready. Have a look at the first phoneme. W, I, wig, wig. This word says wig. A wig is some pretend hair that you might put on your head. Wigs can come in lots of different styles and colours. Wig. Next word. Fan. That doesn't sound right. I know in Australia we say fan. That's just the way that we sound. Fan. Let's have a look what fan means. A fan is a machine that blows wind, cools you down when you are hot. This is an electronic fan. Over here I can see a fan that you might hold. And you put it towards your face and move it up and down to get the wind to cool you down. You might also be a fan if you really, really like something. I can see some sports fans here. They're cheering their team on. Fan. Next word. Get your mouth ready. How did you go? Let's check. Yum. Yum. This word says yum. This boy's getting ready to eat a yum sandwich. Must be very tasty. Yum is something you might say if you really, really enjoy the taste of something. Yum. This next one is a bit trickier. It has 4 phonemes in it. Get ready. Let's see how you went. Z, zest, zest. This word says zest. The zest of fruit is the actual skin, the hard part on the outside, and you can use the zest or the skin in cooking. You might use a special peeler to take off the zest to put in your cooking. This is orange zest. You can also get lemon or lime zest. Our next word has 4 phonemes as well. Get ready. Let's check. Rent. Rent. This word says rent. I wonder what rent means. Let's check it out. There's a picture of a house here and it says the word rent. If you don't own your house but you're living in it, you're borrowing the house to live in, we say that you did rent a house. Or maybe you might be borrowing a car. It might not be yours to own, but if you borrow it and use it for a little while, you might say that you did rent a car. Rent, when you borrow something. You don't own it, but you borrow it. Rent. Our last word is the hardest one. It has 5 phonemes. Let's see how we go. Okay, let's check it out. Get your mouth ready. B, u, bully, bullyin, blink, 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 blink. This word says blink. I think I know what that might mean. Let's have a look. Blink is something you do with your eyes. It's when the lid of your eye closes down. Blink. Blinking is something that you do all the time and you probably don't even notice. Blink. Time for a game now. Why don't you try playing word caterpillar jumps? It's just like what you played last week with your phonemes, but instead of using phonemes to jump on, you can use words. Get Mum and Dad to choose some words from our word list at the end of the home learning program. Choose about 8 and put them down on the ground outside. And you can play caterpillar jumps. Your mum or dad or your carer who's looking after you might call out one of the words for you to jump on. A great game to play outside. You can always pause the video and come back after you've played, or you might finish the video and play the game after. Let's check if you've reached your goal today. Think about what challenge you set yourself at the beginning of the lesson, and I want you to pause the video and see if you can read as many words as you can fast and snappy. You might need to blend, or you might be able to read the words straight away, and either is okay. Let's just see if you can meet your goal today. Remember, if you're finding reading words hard, you can start by blending just the 2 phonemes until you get very fast and snappy. Pause the video and say as many words as you can. How did you go, everybody? Did you get your goal today? You can keep practicing by rewatching this video, or you might have Mum and Dad use the words from the word list to get you to read lots more words. Remember, blending is our skill to read words, and our job is to get so good that we can read them straight away, hopefully without even blending, once we're really, really good. That's the end of our lesson today. Next time in phonics, we're going to keep revising our phonemes and our camera words. We may be blending still, but we might even start working on a new skill. We'll see how we go. Thank you for joining me today, everybody. I'll see you next time for phonics. Bye.